Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in this channel we talk all things online teaching, business, edtech, mindset, and yeah, everything related to teaching. So if any of those topics interest you, then please consider subscribing. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be addressing one of the things that you asked me to talk about. Because I posted an Instagram story asking if you would like to know how much I have made, or like my journey on Teachers Pay Teachers. So if you're interested in finding out how much money I've made, and yeah, like my experience overall, then please continue watching. Now, to begin with, I would like to say that I am not doing Teachers Pay Teachers full time. In fact, I actually started as like a side hustle kind of hobby, and I did not even make my first sale like after months, I think. Yeah, when I was like 4 or 5 months, and all of the products that I listed there were free first, and then I decided to turn them into paid products, and then I decided to um just increase the price, but I'm going to share that with you. So I also apologize if the audio is not working quite well. So I am filming this with my computer, as you can see with the quality of the camera, but let's hope everything turns out okay. So I'm going to first I'd like to share with you the views that I got, and also like a very, very brief explanation as to why these views are so high here, but so low here. So basically when I started, it was like back in September, and I, of course, used to have my professional Instagram account, but I would share all of the resources for like teachers to download. So this was, yeah, back in September in 2019. That's when I opened the store. And now when I open it, I think that was the first time that I decided to upload something. And then you can see it's sort of also back in September, I used to like promote many of my products, which were all free at the time. I'm going to share like a difference when I started to charge for some of them. So I used to promote them through Facebook and Instagram. So many of the views that you see now these are all organic. I never paid for any of this. Like I never paid for ads or anything of the kind. But yeah, so all of these things are organic. All of these views are organic, and most of them I got from my Instagram account, which I was running almost, I would not even say that like part-time, like just a few hours every day and every week. Then in October was when I had lots and lots and lots of people looking at my products, because I posted one of my most successful products ever, I believe, which was about the Joker, and the movie at that time was also really popular. So I created something around that, and yeah, so it became popular. It is still popular, and I posted that on a Facebook group, which is just for, well, which was just for teachers. And yeah, I got lots of downloads from that. That's why you see the spike. But then overall, you can see like November, I also started posting a bit more. And again, all of these months that I'm showing you, I think I hadn't made a single sale, because all of the products that I listed there were free. So yeah, so November 1,500, December, well, you can see the numbers. So also, I'd like to say that I decided to stop promoting my Teachers Pay Teachers account once I figured out how to upload the files to my website. So once I figured out how to download, is how to like put the files there so that people could directly go to my website and download them, especially the products that were free. I decided to do that and stop promoting Teachers Pay Teachers, because of course the Teachers Pay Teachers takes a cut. And also, yeah, I wanted to like drive more traffic to my website rather than driving traffic to a different website that of course I do not own. So these were all of the views that I got. But yeah, as you can see, like, and this was me just like not promoting anything at all. I am pretty sure that this spike, as you can see, it's always in October, and I'm pretty sure it's basically because we're like starting school or something, because you have the spike in October here, and then um this also happened like in October last year. So I'm pretty sure it is because school starts. I don't know, that's my guess. Yeah, so these are the total number of views that I have had since opening the store, 14,374. Let me show you this year. 89, as you can see, not many. And again, like, this is something that I don't do full time. I haven't posted a single resource in, I believe, over a year. So yeah, so I'm quite surprised that this is still gaining like traffic without me doing a single thing. It could be more, of course, but yeah, I'm not paying attention to it a lot. So yeah, then you can also like custom range. I can show you what I've done in 2021. Oops. So yeah, I believe that I mean, if you decide to do this full time, I'm pretty sure you may get like a pretty decent, like at least a side hustle, or if you want to do it full time, then you can of course make a living. There are a lot of people doing it. But yeah, so these are all the views that I gained last year. Again, October, lots of views. But yeah, so those were the views. Now let's talk about units sold. And I'm going to play. Okay, so as you can see, again, I started in September. I got lots of views, but did not decide at that time. I didn't want to like charge for my products, so they were all for free. And then I saw an opportunity, so like, why don't I charge? So yeah, I started charging, and as you can see, like, I started gaining. I started selling some stuff, not much, but some. And this is just, again, me without promoting anything, because I haven't promoted my Teachers Pay Teacher store in like a while. So these are all the units sold at all time. And I want to share with you how much money I've made, which is not much, but I know that you're here for that. So these are the earnings. And this is like total. This is not like, this is after the cut that Teachers Pay Teachers take. So yeah, after the yeah, I think that they get like 60%, or I get like 60%, but it's quite a lot. I mean, the cut that they take is usually pretty high. So as you can see, June, $1, not even $1, $2, $3.50. Yeah, $10 February. But yeah, so these are my earnings, so you can see. And yeah, January 0, because it's still not over. So as you can see, these are this is what I'm about to get paid like next month. But yeah, so this is, again, this is the total. This is even after their cut. So this is like 9 USD, but this is what I get, not the total amount that I've made. Let's say, because if I sell something for like $2, I'm gonna get like $1 for that thing. So yeah, so conversions is like how many people have seen my products and have decided to purchase it. So 1%, 1%, 4%, 1%, 2%, 3, 1, 1, 3. And yes, so this is how much money I've gotten. And I would like to show you more or less the traffic, which is basically like where like how people are finding me. Okay, well, it's not loading, but like more often than not, at first it was like Instagram, then Facebook, then something like Google search, and then it was just there we go. So Teachers Pay Teachers, number one, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, my blog, Teachers Pay Teachers, emails, Linktree. Well, somebody must have cited me or something. Google AdWords, beenglish.se. And yeah, so this is marketing, but I don't normally use this. Again, I don't usually pay attention to these side of things when it comes to Teachers Pay Teachers. I should if I wanted to like do something and make this like a full-time gig. But yeah, so these are the products that I have. As you can see, I have many products which are for free, like PowerPoints, PDFs. Yeah, and I have like, I think I have only two which are paid, which is this one, the video-based worksheet, the Joker, which is my most successful one, which I absolutely love. First I decided to sell it for like $2, then I increased the price to $3, and then I decided to charge $5 for this. And then this one, which is like the story, which talks about the story of Maleficent and the dangers of a single story, which is a TED talk. And at first I had this for free, then I charged like $1 or $2, and then I increased the price to $3. But again, as you could see, like from my and then this one. Oh, I have forgotten about this one and this one. So yeah, so technically I thought that I had like only two, but yeah, so technically the only things that I did, I mean, the things that I did was at first I just put them for free, and if they started to like if the download like if people started to download them a lot, then I would put the price on them, very low price, and if I saw that people were still buying it, then I would just increase the price. But yeah, this is also something that, I mean, if you would like a bit of money, and you can do that, but this is just be careful, because if you sell this for $3, you're gonna get like $1, $1.10, $1.10, like 50 or something. So yeah, you will not get those $3, because Teachers Pay Teachers, the website takes a bit of your money. Also, something to take into account is the fact that, I mean, now they are offering, depending on where you're from, they are offering different payout methods. But when I first started, it was just PayPal, and that's how I got my money every month. They sent they used to send me an email saying that the money was on its way, and then I could find it on the PayPal's on PayPal's website or app, or the app. And so yeah, that happened until PayPal blocked my account, and after that I did not receive a single penny. And it wasn't until I think that 2 or 3 weeks ago they decided to implement a new payout method, which is actually, they still use it. It's new. It's Hyperwallet, and they are, I'm pretty sure it's something like this. Like, I think that PayPal bought that company, or it belongs to PayPal or something. So it's more or less the same thing. But with Hyperwallet, I just put my country of residence, which is Italy, and it gives me the option to get paid through PayPal or through my bank account. So I decided to, of course, start using Hyperwallet and just choose the payout to be to my bank account here in Italy. And yeah, so the downside is that they do charge you, I think, 0.50. I can't remember if it's USD or euro, but they do charge you that. So my payout for for January, like if I don't sell anything else, it's gonna be like $2.17, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna get around $1.60 because they also take some money because they are paying me through my bank account. So yeah, that's the downside, but at least I'm getting my money after being blocked by PayPal, which is something that should be something that I should talk about in a different video. But yes, so if you happen to have any questions regarding Teachers Pay Teachers, you are more than welcome to leave them in the comment section, and I would love to address them in a video. And of course, you can also follow me on Instagram, where I post stories and poll you about what you would like me to talk about. So yeah, that was all for today's video, and make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment or like this video if you've liked it. And yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.